Good morning, first grade. I hope everyone's having a nice day so far. All right, this morning we have our week 23 spelling test, and this week's focus, as you probably remember, was a review of the digraphs that we've covered in over the last several weeks. And digraphs are where there are two letters together that make one sound. So two letters, one sound. And then in this case, we have three letters, TCH, that make just one sound. So just a quick review, I have put the different patterns on the side here. So we have SH, which says sh, very good. We have TH, which makes two sounds. TH can say, TH can also say, and we have CH, which says, yeah, that's right, sh, and TCH, which also says sh. Good. And the way that we can tell the difference, if you remember, we talked a lot about this when we studied CH, TCH, is that if we hear the ch at the beginning, it's spelled CH. And if we hear it coming after a consonant, like in the word lunch, LUNCH, TCH is used when we hear the ch at the end following a short vowel, like in the word match, match, that short A, then we hear the ch sound and it's spelled TCH, okay? All right, so if you need to pause, put your first and last name on your paper and we'll go ahead and get started. And as always, you can pause and rewind if you need to, and I know you'll do a great job. Okay, number one. Number one is the word path. Path. We walked down the path at the park. Path. Number one more time. Path. Okay, number two is them. 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 I saw them at the restaurant. Them. Number two again is them. Good job. Okay, number two, one last time, them. All right, very good. Number three is fresh. Fresh. There is some fresh fruit in the refrigerator. Fresh. Fresh. Number three, one more time, fresh. All right, number four. Number four is flash. Flash. There was a flash of lightning. Flash. 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 Number four, one more time, flash. All right, moving on to number five. Number five is shack. Shack. The character lived near a shack in the woods. Shack. Shack. And we hear that the k sound at the end after a short vowel. So you remember what two letters we use when it makes the k sound after a short vowel. Shack. Number five, shack. Okay, number five, one more time, shack. Number six. Number six is splash. Splash. They made a splash in the pool. Splash. Make sure you catch all those sounds in that one. Splash. job. Number 6, one more time, splash. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and quickly read 1 through 6 if you want to check your work. Number 1 is path. Number 2 is them. Number 3 is fresh. Number 4 is flash. Number 5 is shack. And number 6 is splash. All right, number 7. Number 7 is chat. Chat. Sometimes we use the chat bar during our class. Chat. Ch-at. Chat. Number 7. Chat. Number 7, one more time. Chat. On to number 8. Number 8 is chop. 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 I will chop the vegetables for the dinner. Chop. 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 Number 8, one more time. Chop. Number 9. Chin. Chin. Be careful so you don't bump your chin on the desk. Chin. Chin. Okay, number 9, one more time. Chin. On to number 10. Number 10 is batch. Batch. We made a batch of cookies. So think about what spelling that would be. Batch. We made a batch of cookies. Number 10. Number 10, one more time. Batch. Batch. All right, very good. Number 11, almost there. Number 11 is match. Match. We played the game memory and I made a match. 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 Number 11 again, match. Okay, number 11, one last time, match. On to number 12. Okay, sorry about that. Number 12 is stretch. Stretch. It's good to take a stretch break every once in a while. Stretch. Shorty. Oh, just gave it away. Short vowel, and then stretch. Stretch. Number 12. Number 12, one more time. Stretch. Okay, and I'll read 7 through 12 quickly so you can check your work, and then we'll move to the high frequency words. Number 7 is chat. Number 8 is chop. Number 9 is chin. Number 10 is batch. Number 11 is match. And number 12 is stretch. Okay, so first high frequency word is been. How have you been doing? Been. How have you been doing? Number 1 again, been. How have you been doing? Number 2, read or read? Have you read that book? Read. Number 2, or read. Have you read that book? Number 2, one more time. Read or read. Same spelling. Okay, number 3 is over. Over. We walked over the bridge. Over. Number 3 again. Over. Number 3, one last time. Over. Number 4 is away. Away. How far away is the farm? Away. Away. Number 4, one more time. Away. Okay, the high frequency words one more time. Number 1, Ben. Number 2, read or read. Number 3, over. And number 4, away. All right, and to the sentence. So just listen twice, say it with me once, and then I'll repeat it like I normally do. So the first, the sentence is, I made a fresh batch of snacks for them. This is a little longer one today. I made a fresh batch of snacks for them. Now say it with me. I made a fresh batch of snacks for them. I'll go ahead and say the first part of the sentence, and if you'd like to pause it, and then I'll repeat the second part of the sentence. The first part of the sentence is, I made a fresh batch. I made a fresh batch. First part. Second part, of snacks for them. Of snacks for them. The sentence one more time all together. Again, feel free to pause and rewind. The whole sentence, I made a fresh batch of snacks for them. All right, very good. That is our week 23 spelling list. Great job. You can just snap a quick picture and send whenever you're finished. Thanks. Bye.